Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogeres, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX that we just listed. Absolutely beautiful boat with the dune upholstery and the brown glue down sea deck here. Sea Ray redesigned this model for 2024, so we have a taller freeboard, more cockpit area, great place to hang out, feel secure when you're out there in the water with your friends and family. We do have a starboard entryway into the boat here. Tons of space, lots of storage here. L-shaped seating. Our seat here does fold forwards and backwards. They increase the size of the in-floor storage as well in the ski locker. Great ergonomics here with the recessed glove box. And at the helm, have our bucket seat showing the flip-up bolster here, but that does go down in place as well. We have our Simrad display screen, so all your engine diagnostics, chart plotting, depth, battery levels, oil levels, everything's going to be very accessible at the helm. And lots of room to move about. This is rated for 10 passengers. Center walkthrough up to the bow. I do have the bow filler cushion in place. You can also put a backrest here as well, and then close the windshield up to complete that area into a full sun pad. Again, this is Sea Ray's 190 SPX located here in Rogeres. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else in stock, please give us a call or come on by. Thanks.